Hi y'all, it's Jen. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to be working on my DT project for Sunflowers and Dors using the Colors of Autumn kit, and I'm going to be using these side pockets. And I did print these in a smaller size so that they would fit better in the journals that I was making. And so after you cut these out, you're going to want to fold them here and along the bottom to make your flaps to be able to glue your pocket into place. I'm going to distress the edges with Vintage Photo Distress Oxide ink by Ranger. Just go around the edges a little bit just to get those pockets to pop off of the page. Okay, so there are 4 pockets. I'm going to use the 2 floral pockets for the feminine journals and the 2 middle pockets for the masculine journal. Trying to pick a page. I've decided one is going to go here on this page. And I'm just going to put some glue along each flap and then glue it down to the page. Now I did print these on thin paper, so I backed them onto book pages just to give them some more stability. This kit is available on Etsy in Sunflowers and Dors shop. I will link all the information down below, and the Facebook group that Mandy Reed, who is Sunflowers and Dors, and Justine Jenkins, who is House of Mahalo, run together as admin, where you can go and get some really cool freebies right now, get a lot of inspiration. There's a lot of different projects going on over in that group right now, and there's always some kind of event or challenge or something going on. The name of the group is Junk Journal Ideas and Inspiration. Found the other page that I want to use the second pocket on. Get it glued down when my glue decides to cooperate with me. Now I did have a little bit of an ink mess at the bottom of this pocket, but I'm okay with it because I'm going to add some more stuff into this journal. Not from the kit. I'm still trying to pick and choose what I want to incorporate as extra elements later on. And now we have a pocket. This is another page from the kit. I cut the pockets out, back them onto book page, folded the flaps, and then inked around them with the same Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo. So I'm going to use this pocket. I'm working in the masculine journal right now on camera. The feminine journal is the one that has the lacy or doily looking pages. And so those are the elements that I will be putting into the feminine journal. Okay, pocket done. So there's another pocket on that page. It looks like this. It's called an across the pocket page. And I'll show you how to use it. Right now, I don't think I'm going to use it in the journal. I don't think. But it's meant to go all the way across a page, and you glue along the side and the bottoms, and then you have two pockets. And you can glue it in the center of the signature, or you can glue it in to a page inside of the signature, if that makes sense, like I'm showing you now. You could also just glue it on the sides and use it as a belly band, a double belly band. One for one side of the book, and then when you flip it, it'll be on the other side of the book. And I'm sorry, it was called an across page pocket. Okay, I'm going to use another page of pockets and tags that comes with the kit. And instead of using the small ones this time, I'm going to use the large ones because they do fit in my size journal, and I do want some large pieces. And here are these small little pockets. And I'm going to go and back these on book pages, cut them out, fold them, and ink them up. And then I'm going to back the tag onto this old envelope. Just rinse and repeat with these little pockets and glue your flaps down on the sides and bottom. Finally decided on a spot. We're just going to put it smack dab in the middle. So I'm stumbling over my words really bad this evening. I'm just not feeling real well, and I'm really tired this evening. So this is what it looks like on the back. I backed it onto a piece of that envelope and cut it out. And I'm going to ink it up using the same vintage photo Distress Oxide ink. And I'm going to give the backing a little more color, so I'm going to distress it a little bit more than what I do on the front, since there's nothing printed on it, just to give it a little more of a pop of color. And I'm going to struggle with this a little bit because I accidentally got some glue on the inside of the pocket, but I get it fixed, and that tag slides right into that pocket with a nice little writing spot on the back. And that tag is still wet, so it's a little bit flimsy. It needs to dry. And so those are those pockets. In the next video, I will be doing some more creative type pockets. And I'm going to take the time to catch the feminine journal up off camera. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good evening.